and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. For today's video, I will just be going through the Fresh Sugar A Sweet Fairy Tale Lip Kit, and Fresh was kind enough to send me this for my birthday and Christmas this year, and I will be including it in my What I Got for Christmas and Birthday haul, which will be up later this week. And I figured it would be a fun video for me to sit down and go through everything that is in the kit with you guys and do swatches of all the products. They are not the full-size products, however, I will show you a comparison to the full-size products because a few of these I have in different variations in the full-size one. I really like the travel mini-sized ones. I think they are great because you can literally bring them anywhere and throw them into like your pocket or purse. And if you've been on my channel for a while now, you guys know I recently became obsessed with Fresh. I have racked up a ton of Sephora points lately because of all the products from Fresh I have been trying, and I've never had a bad experience or anything with their products, which is nice. I know it is a little late, but this would make a really great holiday gift for someone, especially someone who really likes makeup, especially lip products. And you get 8 products in total. You get 6 of the tinted lip treatments, you get a lip polish, which is an exfoliator, and you get one of the hydrating lip balms, which I absolutely love and have featured here on my channel. I've actually also featured the tinted lip treatments here on my channel before, but in preparation of the holidays, I figured this would be fun to sit down and go through with you guys. And of course, it will be linked down below. Something you guys are going to notice about these as I am swatching them and going through them is that they are all pretty much neutral nude colors, although they each have different undertones. So now that I've gone on, let's just get started. So obviously this is just what the kit looks like, and then it slides out kind of like a drawer. In the kit, you get one of their lip polishes, 6 of the mini tinted lip treatments, and you also get one of the hydrating lip balms. These are especially great if you work in healthcare and are at a place where you have to have minimal makeup but still like wearing makeup, because they literally give you the perfect tint without going overboard, and it doesn't look like you're wearing lipstick, and you don't have to worry about it like smudging or anything, and you can easily apply it throughout the day. So we're just gonna go through all the products, and we're gonna start with the lip polish. First up is the Fresh Sugar lip polish, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It is kind of like a paste that exfoliates your lips, and you are supposed to use this 2 to 3 times a week. I have been using it pretty much every other day. It works great. One thing I do really like is that when you get this on your finger and go to apply it to your lips, it isn't overly gritty and it doesn't like fall and flake off. That's something I do not like about a lot of lip scrubs and lip exfoliators, and I do not have a full size to compare this to, but you do get a really good amount of product in here. You get 8 grams. Before I get into the tinted lip treatments, I figured I would talk a little bit about the other product that was on the opposite end, and this is just one of their hydrating lip treatments, and let me tell you, I love these. This one in particular is the Fresh Sugar Caramel one, and let me tell you guys, it smells so good. It smells exactly like caramel. Don't come at me for saying caramel and not caramel. I've always said caramel. Get over it. It smells so good. It smells so sweet. It reminds me of like fall and Christmas, and obviously, like the name suggests, it's super hydrating. I have talked about their hydrating lip balms here on my channel already. If you guys have been following, you guys probably recognize this one. This is the Fresh Sugar Peach Hydrating Lip Balm. Here is a size comparison if you guys are interested. This one is a full size and this one is the travel mini size. These are awesome and amazing and great. I cannot say enough good things about these. These are the kind of lip balms you can put on and then go and drink a drink without it coming off. That's one thing I hate, is when products transfer over to like cups and straws. These are not like that. They literally will stay on whether you're drinking, eating, you name it, they will stay on, and they are great. And now we're just going to get into the 6 tinted lip treatments. First up is the Fresh Sugar Honey Tinted Lip Treatment, and it is just a very neutral nude color, and it does have some pink undertones. This one here is obviously the travel small one. This one is a full-sized one, but as you guys can see, you still get a pretty good amount. You probably get about 1/3 of the full-size one, maybe a little more, and this is the comparison when they are in their packaging. Next up is Spice, and this is another one that is a pretty neutral nude color. However, this one is more on like the burnt red side, which I really like, and this one definitely reminds me of Thanksgiving and fall. This one definitely shows up a lot darker than the honey one, and I actually think this may be one of the more dark ones that that is in this kit. This next one is the original one, and it is just the sugar one. So if you are someone who does not like tints or anything, and you just want a basic hydrating lip product with SPF, this one is a perfect one. As you guys can see, it is clear and it does swatch clear. This next one is one you guys have seen on my channel before, and it is the Fresh Sugar Rose one. I actually do have the full-size one that I showed a few seconds ago. This is the comparison of the two. And this one is just a bright pinky red color. I absolutely love this one. I wear the full-size one all the time, and I'm gonna throw this one in my purse because I've been using the full-size one pretty much every day, and that way I can have the travel size one with me on the go and don't have to bring the full-size one and can leave the full-size one at home. Next up is the Fresh Sugar Petal one, and this one again is another neutrally one, except it's more on the pink side, and I definitely think it has purple undertones. This one does not look the best on me, but I do still really like it. I'm gonna try experimenting more with it, and if I don't end up liking it, I'll probably just give it to my mom to use because I know she said she really likes it. And lastly is the Fresh Sugar Bloom one, and this one is definitely a purple neutral. I absolutely love it. I love the color payoff. I think it is great, and kind of going along with the name of Bloom, this definitely reminds me of flowers. Not sure why, but it does. And other than the rose one, this one is definitely a favorite of mine in this kit. So those are all these swatches and products that come in this kit. I absolutely love this kit and am definitely going to get a ton of use out of them. I can guarantee you that by the end of the year, if you watch my empties videos, you will see a bunch of these in it. If you guys liked this video and would like to see more beauty related videos, let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you have specific suggestions of beauty videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments because I can definitely try and get to them. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos regularly and would love if you'd become part of our little family. Be sure to hit the bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!